what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be in a...
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my face scrub. So if you want to know how I make my face scrub, please do continue watching and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are most definitely welcome, and please do give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So let me walk you guys right into this video. So guys, my first ingredient is potatoes. I'm going to grate it and extract the juice from it. So I'll just grate with this and grate you can blend also, but I'm just going to grate my own and extract the juice. I'm trying to extract the juice, but the juice is not coming out, so I'm going to add a bit of tomato to it to be able to extract the juice from the tomato and the potato together. That's what I'm trying to do right now. So I'll also go ahead and grate my tomato and extract the juice out. So here is my tomato and potato juice. So now I'm adding my brown sugar. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm mixing right now. So now I'm going to be adding my honey, about a tablespoon of honey. So after adding my honey, I will just go ahead and continue mixing it. So now I will add my turmeric powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder. So now I'm going to be adding the face scrub. I've washed my face. When doing this, you need to wash your face to make sure all the old dirt on your face wash off, so that the scrub can sink in very well. So I have washed my face, so now I'm going to be scrubbing my face with the homemade scrub I just made right now. So I just wash off the mask off my face, and my face feels so smooth and cool and so clean. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up.